If you're wondering which pool heater offers the best performance, gas, electric, or solar, this video breaks it down. Today, we'll compare 5 top-rated models from each category to help you choose the best heater for your pool and climate. Let's start with gas heaters, known for their raw heating power and speed. The Hayward Universal H-Series stands out as a high-capacity, heavy-duty option designed for in-ground pools. With models ranging from 150,000 to 400,000 BTUs, this gas heater can raise water temperatures by up to 30 degrees in just a few hours. It's especially effective in colder climates where fast heat recovery is essential. The H-Series features a corrosion-resistant Q-Pro nickel heat exchanger, offering durability even in saltwater or chemically balanced pools. Additionally, it meets low NOx emission standards, making it slightly more eco-friendly than traditional gas models. Homeowners who need quick and consistent performance for large pools tend to rate this heater highly despite its relatively high operational cost due to natural gas or propane usage. Next in the gas category is the PENTAIR MASTERTEMP 125, a more compact and affordable option designed specifically for above-ground pools up to 15,000 gallons. With 125,000 British thermal units of heating power, this unit is smaller than the Hayward, but still delivers rapid heating, often within a few hours. It's lightweight and comes with a user-friendly digital control panel, which makes operation and monitoring simple. The MASTERTEMP 125 is also certified for low NOx emissions, so it's a bit cleaner than other traditional gas options. It's best for those who want reliable heating in moderate climates, without investing in a high-capacity system. Now let's move to electric heaters. The EcoSMART Smart Pool 27 is a tankless electric heater offering 27 kilowatts of power, designed for pools up to 15,000 gallons. One of its biggest advantages is its precision. Thanks to its digital thermostat and flow sensor technology, you can control the water temperature to the exact degree. It's also energy efficient by design, heating only as water flows through it. This model is mounted on the wall, saving space, and can be integrated into your existing plumbing system relatively easily. However, it does require a 240-volt electrical connection, so professional installation may be necessary for some users. That said, if you're looking for clean, efficient, and fairly quick heating in warmer climates, the Smart Pool 27 is a great pick. A slightly smaller but more user-friendly electric option is the ECOPOOLTECHEU 50 heat pump, suitable for above-ground pools up to 5,000 gallons. It generates about 16,000 BTUs and is ideal for smaller spaces or entry-level setups. This model plugs into a standard outlet, which eliminates the need for a complicated electrical install. It uses a titanium heat exchanger that performs well even in saltwater environments, and the built-in flow sensor enhances safety and energy optimization. It won't heat as fast as gas units, but its energy efficiency and quiet operation make it a favorite among small pool owners who don't need rapid temperature changes. Finally, for eco-conscious homeowners, we have the Smart Pool S601 solar heating system. This solar heater includes two 2-foot by 20-foot polypropylene panels and is designed for in-ground pools. The system can raise your pool water temperature by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on sun exposure. It's ideal for sunny, warm climates and comes with roof or rack mounting option. Once installed, operating costs are virtually zero, making it one of the most cost-effective long-term solutions. However, it's completely weather-dependent. On cloudy days or during the winter, performance can drop significantly. That said, for households in sun-rich areas, solar heating offers unbeatable efficiency over time and helps reduce environmental impact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all the heaters mentioned in this video.